Welcome. In this video, we will explore why each page on your website should have its own unique meta description and how it can make a big difference to your SEO and click-through rates. A meta description is a short HTML summary that describes the content of a page. It appears under your page title in search results and influences whether people click. If multiple pages have the same meta description, search engines struggle to differentiate them. This can lead to missed opportunities for targeting specific searches. Repeated meta descriptions can send duplicate content signals to search engines, potentially lowering your rankings or causing Google to rewrite your snippets. A unique description tailored to each page's content can speak directly to the searcher's intent, encouraging more clicks. Unique meta description allows you to use keywords that matches the specific topic of the page, improving visibility for niche searches. When a searcher sees an accurate and unique description, they know exactly what to expect on your page, reducing bounce rates. For e-commerce and blogs, unique descriptions for each product or article help distinguish thousands of pages in search results. If every page have the same meta description, you are wasting space that could highlight unique selling points, offers, or content hook. Write meta descriptions that summarize each page, include a primary keyword, and highlight a benefit or CTA. Avoid reusing the same templates across pages. Unique meta description can help you stand out, target keywords more effectively, and win more clicks. Start updating your pages today for better results. Like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.